Are you looking for the best investment apps for beginners? Well, keep watching. I'm going to show you some user-friendly apps that can really help you to start investing with confidence. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So I'm going to tell you something right now. I know that starting to invest can feel overwhelming, especially if you're new to the world of finance. But don't worry, there are plenty of apps that are designed for beginners that really make investing easy and accessible. So let's dive into some of the best options for newcomers to the investing world. So here are 5 of the best investment apps for beginners. The first one is WealthSimple. It's a Canadian favorite. WealthSimple offers an easy-to-use robo-advisors and commission-free trading. So, it makes it simple for beginners to get started. Number 2 is Acorns, which is perfect for beginners. Acorns automatically invest your spare change by rounding up purchases and investing the difference in a diversified portfolio. You got Robinhood for US users. Robinhood allows you to buy stocks and ETFs with no commissions, making it a great choice for those just starting out. You got Stash. Stash helps beginners by offering educational tools, allowing you to start with small investments in stocks, ETFs, and bonds. And you got Questrade, which is known for its low fees. Okay, Questrade, it lets you trade stocks and ETFs with ease while offering a simple, beginner-friendly interface. Okay, these apps are a great starting point for beginners looking to grow their wealth with minimal complexity. So if you like these recommendations, leave me a like. I love you.